So welcome guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorial so far. Please kindly hit the subscribe button. So in this particular tutorial, we'll be looking at data wrangling and data cleaning. So data wrangling is about converting data to usable formats. Take for example, you have a data set and some of your dates are in the datetime format and some are in the string format and you want to bring everything to the datetime format. So that's data wrangling. You're bringing data from a state that you don't want to use it into the correct state. While data cleaning is the removal of dirty data or corrupted or incorrect data. Okay, so let's get on it. So let's look at our data set again. Okay, so let's look at the top 50 values. Okay, oh, the last 50 values, sorry. So we find out that we have a non, not a number in the calories day. So if you look at today's data, you find none. So you see even if calories come, you find a non value. So this is data that is not clean. So and I want to clean the data. So what do we do? So there are a number of options depending on the kind of data you are handling. So the first option is one of the first options to give the drop passenger row. So look at you have 0, 2, 1 is out. So just pass the value of your row to drop a particular row. So let's see that works for the column. So let me try to draw the GPA column and see. So GPA is not found in axis, telling you that you can only use the drop to drop what to drop your um row. So there's another method for dropping the column. So we have what you can do your df dot correlate. You also check for correlated value. So we have a lot of data frame. I can't cover it all in this tutorial. This is just an introduction to um data frame. Okay, so guys, it's going to be the end to this tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed it thus far. Thank you for staying to the end.